Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 26, 2015. Of course, it's a Thursday morning. We're racing towards the weekend. Can't get there fast enough, right? Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s in the New York City metropolitan area, and then upper 30s to lower 40s over the western suburbs of Philadelphia, lower to mid 40s in the Philadelphia metro, and mid to upper 40s right along the coast as a warm front approaches the region this morning. We're looking at areas of fog throughout the region, reducing visibility, and low clouds and a few widely scattered showers and drizzle throughout the region as our warm air mass invades the region as we set up for a wide variety of temperatures this afternoon from the lower to mid 50s over the far northern interior in Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley, mid to upper 50s in the New York City metropolitan area, and lower to mid 60s, possibly even a few upper 60s mixed in there in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. On our radar, we could see we're pretty much dry right now. We do have some drizzle out there, but nothing widespread as far as any heavy rainfall or anything of that nature. We have two pockets of precipitation to watch out for. This area of precipitation is going to be developing this afternoon, especially right along the New Jersey coast. And then as our cold front advances, periods of moderate to heavy rainfall approaching. It's already starting to develop over portions of western Pennsylvania, and we could see that in the Ohio River Valley starting to develop here and heading towards our neck of the woods. On the infrared satellite picture, a very interesting weather pattern is certainly developing here. We have our more tropical air mass right along the coast here with our warm front trying to push north and west into the region, but we do have this cool pocket that is built all the way down towards the Appalachians here, right along the Appalachian spine here. Very interesting to see what was left of our snowpack, kind of producing a cooler, more stable air mass over the region. And so as a result, we're having a hard time with that warm air invading to the north and west. I do think this will erode in time, but overall, this sets up a rather interesting dynamic with our cold front moving through for tonight, leading to a lifting of these thunderstorms. So instead of a widespread severe threat, which is still possible over central and southern New Jersey, I think we're going to see a very significant heavy rainfall threat developing tonight with our cold front moving through. And we see that very nicely on the latest model guidance from the NAM, which I'll show in just a moment. So again, we have three air masses that we're dealing with. Our tropical air mass that will push into the New Jersey coast and south side of Long Island, leading to temperatures pushing close to 60 on the south side of Long Island, and in the lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro, basically extreme southeastern Pennsylvania and central and southern New Jersey. The rest of the region will basically be in the mid to upper 50s over southeastern Pennsylvania and lower to mid 50s over the northern interior. Then our cold front moves through tonight with some moderate to heavy rainfall, and then we have to watch a series of disturbances like this one over the northern plains, producing lingering showers for Friday and Saturday, and some of those showers will feature some snow. So let's take a look at our latest NAM model guidance. And again, for today, watch out for these thunderstorms that will develop along the New Jersey coast. It'll be capable of wind gusts over 30 miles per hour and some very heavy downpours. Again, here comes our temperature spike ahead of the cold front. And then for tonight, look out for that cold front with moderate to heavy rainfall tonight throughout the region, and some of this rainfall could be quite heavy, leading to some localized flash flooding. That cold front will move through by the time we get to Friday morning, so tomorrow morning's rush hour is not exactly going to be very pretty with some moderate to heavy rainfall expected. Again, temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s in the New York City metropolitan area, and lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Low temperatures by tomorrow morning in the upper 30s over the interior and lower to mid 40s along the coast. Now that cold front's going to linger off the coast by the time we get to Friday, so look for scattered showers throughout the day. Not a washout, but certainly a threat throughout the day, with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Not too far off from where we should be for this time of year. We should be in the lower to mid 50s. On Saturday, now this is where things get a little bit interesting because we're going to have another disturbance kind of rounding the bend here with our cold front lingering off the coast, and it could produce what's called an inverted trough. Not expecting much in the way of precipitation here, but there's certainly going to be a threat for some rain and snow showers throughout the region. Not much in the way of accumulation, of course. The best chance will be over your elevations above 500 feet, and only expecting a trace to an inch at most. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 30s for lows, so again, you can see the limitation in the potential for snowfall accumulation already. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Again, not a significant threat, but I just don't want you to get a bit thrown off if you see some snow showers on your way for Saturday. Won't ruin your plans, but it might catch you by surprise in some instances. Now on Sunday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies, low temperatures in the upper teens over the interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. A cold front will move through on Monday with a few scattered showers, low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. Again, pretty much near normal for this time of year. And then high pressure will be in control for Tuesday and Wednesday with clear skies to sky cloud cover, temperatures slightly below normal, but pretty close to normal for this time of year, to be honest with you. With low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, and lower to mid 50s along the coast. Again, not too far off from where we should be for this time of year, just slightly below normal. So that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.